So this is my new mini fridge. I think this is a really cool purchase. I just want to share with you that it is portable. It is one that they say can hold 6 cans, but I think that 5 is probably the limit on it. I love how this works. You actually have a little removable shelf here. It's adjustable. You could put it down here if you want, or you can just take it out. I has a little pocket here on the side. Not sure what I would use that for, but I can fit 5 cans in here if I take this off. So I do know that this is going to be great for either pop or some type of adult beverage. You could put cosmetics in there that need to be kept cold, like my retinol serum here. It works with, if you take this out, you can put taller cans in there. I don't know how many of the slim cans would fit. I didn't try, to be honest with you. It also can be a place that you can warm food up. It's not just for keeping things cold. This blew me away. It also has a warming capability. It's not like a microwave. It doesn't go super fast, but you can warm things up to about 130 degrees, which is pretty amazing. So let me show you the back here. It actually can be plugged into AC power in the house, but the really cool thing is you can use this in your car. It comes with the DC adapter to plug into the lighter. So you can go either AC inside or DC if you're in your car or your RV or in a boat that has a lighter. Just really, really cool to have that. You turn it on here, let it know you're on AC and that you want it to go cold, and it starts cooling immediately. It's not something that's going to be cold that fast, but it will cool down to, it can go down as low as 34 degrees, depending on how warm it is outside the refrigerator. It also can go up to warm food up to about 130 degrees. So I love that. Now you can switch back and forth between the hot and the cold, but they say if you're going to have it be cold inside, but then you decide you want to warm up some food of some sort, they say to turn it off and leave it off for 30 minutes before you actually switch it over to hot. That will help extend the life of the unit itself. Now, it is something that is easily cleaned, so that's really nice. You just use a wet cloth. You can have a little bit of detergent on it, a mild detergent if you want, and just wipe it down basically. Same with the inside. You don't want to get soap on the seal here, but the rest of it, it can be just a wet, damp type of a sponge or cloth to clean everything. But if you do add a little bit of soap, just rinse it by using a clear, fresh washcloth to be able to get the soap out of it as well. And then dry it, of course. Overall, this is really exciting to me. I am excited to go camping with this and have this available, as well as the bigger refrigerator if we're in an RV. It's just such a great idea. It can be AC, DC, it can warm things up, or you can cool things down. Great for a dorm. Oh my goodness, that's such a great thing for that. It would be really amazing to have it in a gaming room or out in the garage, or you know what? Take it to work and set it on your desk. You don't have to go to the lunchroom to grab a cold drink to be drinking at your desk. This is incredible. I'm so excited with this purchase.